Hi and welcome back, I'm Gary West. Imagine standing at the edge of the ocean, feeling the waves gently rise and fall with a steady rhythm. That same ebb and flow exists within you through your breath. Today we're exploring wave breathing, also known as ocean breath. This technique helps you deeply connect with your breathing, balancing energy, focus and relaxation. Wave breathing is a natural rhythmic technique where you inhale deeply into your belly, then your chest, and exhale in reverse. It creates a steady flow, just like waves rolling onto the shore and retreating back. Why practice wave breathing? Here are a few key benefits. Calms the nervous system and reduces stress and anxiety. Enhances focus and mindfulness. Promotes better oxygen flow and deeper relaxation. Prepares the body for meditation, visualization, or shadow work. Can be used for both grounding and energizing depending on the pace. You'll be following this pattern. Inhale deeply into your belly, allowing it to expand. Continue inhaling as your chest rises, filling your lungs completely. Exhale slowly from your chest first, feeling it soften. Then let the breath fully release from your belly, returning it to a resting state. Here are a few ways to modify wave breathing for different purposes. Energizing. Breathe slightly faster and through the nose. Calming. Slow it down and extend the exhale longer than the inhale. Bedtime relaxation. Add a short pause at the end of each exhale for deeper stillness. Wave breathing is a simple yet powerful way to align you with your inner rhythm. Try incorporating this into your daily routine and see how that transforms your state of mind and energy. If you've enjoyed this video, then give it a like and subscribe for more content. I'll be creating demonstration videos for each of these techniques in the near future, so you can get a deeper look into how to perform these techniques in your own time. If you're interested in my 8-week one-to-one programs, then give me an email at ameliorateslifecoaching@gmail.com. See you in the next episode.